Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. If you watched my last video, you'll know that I replaced my graphics card's thermal paste to see if it would lower temperatures for a potential better overclock and reduce fan noise. You'll also know that this was pretty unsuccessful because my temperatures were still locked at 82 degrees Celsius, which was the temp limit I set. This was because the cooler that came with the graphics card didn't expel enough wattage to keep the graphics card cool. Because of this, I needed to get a third-party cooler. I decided to cool the card with an EVGA CLC 280, which is a 280mm AIO mounted with the NZXT Kraken G12 bracket. You may think that having such a big AIO on this graphics card may be a little bit overkill, and it is. It's really overkill. But the reason why I chose it is to future-proof the cooler in case I get a graphics card that pumps out more wattage in the future. But because this is so overkill, I'm getting some pretty insane results. Because I didn't overclock my GPU yet, my clocks are about the same, the new cooler leading by about 40 MHz, and the FPS remained about the same. However, the temps are a completely different story. With the old cooler, at full load, I was locked at 82 degrees Celsius. When I installed a new cooler at full load, at least on this run, I got 46 degrees Celsius, which is a huge difference. These temps are obviously completely dependent on the temperature of the room, but I've gotten the temps of the GPU down to around 40 degrees Celsius at full load when I have my air conditioner on. Also, if you look at the speed fan application that I use to control the fans, the GPU fan or system fan is only at 33%. This means that even at full load, the system is really quiet. The system can be made even quieter if I replace the radiator fans, but it's so quiet I don't really see a point. Besides the price, the only real downside I see to this is appearance-wise, especially in my case because my GTX 1060, being the mini variant, wasn't really designed for this card, so I kind of had to hack together a cooling solution to cool the VRMs. But yeah, it's a great upgrade and I would recommend it. I hope you enjoyed this and see you next time.